Let's continue with our practice on a CSWP simple exam, Certified Solidworks Professional. In the part number 1, we designed this model step by step in a Solidworks and we answer all the question number 1 step by steps. If we go back to evaluate mass properties, we got this answer, 14, which is equal to line D in the answer exam. If you go to the answer key, we got the same answer. First question, line D, 14, 207.34. Now, in the part number 2, we'll focus on the question number 2 and 3. We'll do the same thing. We'll answer all the question 2 and the question number 1. Now, here we'll start with the question number 2. Here they ask to update parameter of the initial part, mean that will not change the material and the density, they are all the same, and we'll here focus on the global variable from A to E. And we'll start here with the A. So let's here start and change all the parameters according to the question. And at the end, we'll as well answer this question here. What is the mass of the part? Let's here start to right click, manage equation, and we're gonna here start with the A, which is 225, B 210, C 176, D 137, E 39. And as well, the X and the Y will as well change because we have different A and the B. Okay, so now come here, okay. Now we can as well rebuild to reflect the changes in our design. Come here, then rebuild. Now let's here check answer the question, what is the mass of the part, evaluate mass properties, and we can see we have 16 for 19.45 grams. Let's here go to the answer key and check if you have the same answer. So as you can see, we have here the same answer, 16 for 945, the same answer. So we answer this question for the question number 2. Now let's here continue, and we'll go now to the question number 3. We'll do the same thing, and pretty much the question number 3 is the same with the question number 2. Update the parameter of the initial part, and here the density material are all the same, and we'll simply change the global variable from A to E. Let's here start, but before that we need here first to save our parts. First save our parts, and this is very important, so we need here first to save as, and this is the part number 2. So we answer the question number 2, we'll here put part 2, click OK, save. Now we need as well to save as to get to the part number 3. Save as, and then part number 3. Click OK. Now we're in condition to answer the question number 3. For that, we need here first to change. We go to the equation, manage equation, and A will be 209, B 218, C 169, D 125, E 41, and because we have changed as well the A and the B, of course X and Y will change as well. So that's pretty much it. So let's here confirm. So we have all the exact same answer. Now click OK. Now we need here to rebuild so that all the changes reflects in our model. So now we can here answer the question. So what is the mass of the part, mass properties? So we got 15,100.46 grams. Now let's here confirm if you have the exact same answer in our answer key. So if you go to our answer key, we have this answer. So question 3, 15,100.47. So it is pretty much the same because you can have up to 99% of your answer. So if you have from 99 to 100, so you are good. not below 99%. I hope you like. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with a friend, and consider to watch this video here. See you to the next one.